इस वीडियो में टेबलेट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के एक अहम इंग्रेडिएंट लुब्रिकेंट के मुतालिक डिस्कशन होगा। Lubricant is a non-toxic excipient that causes a decrease in friction between the granules and the dye wall cavity. For example, magnesium stearate. Lubricant helps in the ejection of tablets from the dye cavity. It helps in reducing the wear and tear of dyes and punches, यानी dyes और punches को घिसने से बचाता है। A continuous layer of lubricant is necessary around each granule for best results. यानी कि lubricant की mixing granules के अंदर अच्छी तरह से होनी चाहिए. Lubricant is always used in small concentration. यानी कि lubricant की मकदार हमेशा कम होनी चाहिए. An excess amount of lubricant in granules will produce capping or lamination. Improper mixing of lubricant causes variation in hardness. What is the difference between lubricant and glycant? Lubricant और glycant में फ़र्क क्या है? Both are overlapping each other, having more or less the same function. Lubricant decreases friction between the wall cavity and the granules, while gradient decreases friction between the granules particles. Both reduce friction in one way or the other. Glidant is non-toxic inactive material that optimizes the flow of granules by decreasing the friction between the granules. His example is tar. Glidant inhibits the flow property if used in higher concentration. Lubricant helps in the ejection of tablets, while glidant is responsible for the flow of granules from the hopper to the dye cavity. Incorrect concentration and mixing time of lubricant or glidant may produce defects in tablets during compression.